Hi children, today we are going to discuss the questions of textbook page number 43 and also we discuss addition and subtraction of money. So all of you take the page number 43, textbook page number 43, similar number strategy. Solve. Use the similar number strategy if you need to. The question is, find the number that is 8392 less than 15896. When we discuss the word problems, we already said when we are used less. If the questions are coming less than, more than, altogether, in these cases, which operation we will do? So we already said that say less than is a subtraction, more than it's addition, altogether it's addition, total it's a addition, like that. In this question, find the number that is 8392 less than, that means it's a subtraction, less than 15896. So solution, answer. The required number is equals 15,896 minus 8,392. So do the calculation in the working column. 15,896 minus 8,392. 6 minus 2, so answer is 4. 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 3, answer is 5. 5 minus 8, it is not possible, so borrow from this number that places 0 and 15. Then 15 minus 8, after 8 count it till 15. So answer is 7. So the required number is 7504. If you have any doubt for the subtraction, do the checking process. How we can do the checking process? Difference plus subtrahend. Yes. Clear? So less than means it's a subtraction. So we can discuss the second question, Bth one. Find the number that is 9284 more than 18,394. Find the number that is 9,284 more than 18,394. The required number is, so more than here, more than, that means it's a addition. So the required number is required number is 18,394 plus more than, it's a addition, 9,284. So do the calculation on the working column. 18,394 plus 9,284. 4 plus 4, it's 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 1 is carry over. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 8 plus 9, 17. 7. 1 is carry over. Then 2. So 27,678 is the number. 27,678. Clear? The first question is less than. That means a subtraction. Here, find the number that is 9,284 more than 18,394. So, more than means it's a addition. So, add the number. This much, this number more than this much. Then C is homework. Then D one. How much smaller is 3,698 than 21,065? Smaller. How much smaller in this number from this? From the. That means the minus and subtrahend. Did you clear that definition? So from there. So, smaller is a subtraction. How much smaller is 3,698 than 21,065? How much smaller from 21,065 than 3,698? So, 21,065 minus 3,698. 21,065 minus 3,698. 5 minus 8, it is not possible. So, borrow from this number, that number become 5, this is become 15. So, after 8, you count till 15, answer is 7. 5 minus 9, it is not possible. So, borrow from the next number. So, number is 0, it is not possible. So, this number becomes 0, this is 10. Then again this cut it, it's 9 and here 15. So, answer is 15 minus 9, its answer is 6. Then 9 minus 6, answer is 3. 0 minus 3, it is not possible. So, this is 1 and this is become 10. 10 minus 3, 7, 1. Write that one down. So, answer is 17,000. Answer is 17,367. Clear? This is the Dth one. This is Dth one. 17,367. Is homework. By how much is 43,462 less than 15? Less than. So already we discussed the first question. Less than is a, what is the operation? It's a subtraction. What number should be subtracted from 64,932 so that the difference is 13,894? Is also subtract, this is already given. Now we are going to discuss the Gth one. What will be the difference if the sum of 9,146 and 2,934? What will be the difference if the sum of, first of all we find the sum of this number is subtracted from this. We want to find the difference. Before that, if the sum of these two digits is subtracted from this. So, first of all, we want to find the sum of this numbers. Sum 9146 plus 2934. 9146 plus 2934. 6 plus 4 is 10, 0 write down and 1 is carry over. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. 9 plus 1, 10, 1 is carry over. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 2 is 12. So sum is 12,080. What will be the difference if the sum of 9146 and 2934 is subtracted from this? Then we want to find the difference. $23,891 minus 12,080. So find the difference. 23,891 minus 12,080. 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 8, it's again 1. 8 minus 0, 8. 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So this is the difference. Answer is 11,811. Clear? What will be the difference if the sum of 9146 and 2934 is subtracted from 23,891? So answer is 11,811. So homework we already discussed the question C, E, F and H. Okay, clear? So we are moving to another topic, interesting topic, addition and subtraction of money. We use money to buy things. In Indian money there is rupees and paisa is there. Okay. It is in the form of notes and coin. In short, rupees we can write RS, and in short paise we can write P. Clear? So 1 rupee. 1 rupee. How many paisa? 100 paisa. Clear? So 100 paisa, how we can write in 50 paisa coins? 250 paisa coins make clear? Then in the 25 paisa, how many 25 paisa make 50 paisa? 225 paisa coin make 50 paisa. Clear? So 1 rupee is 100 paisa. 100 paisa we can write 250 paisa coins. In 250 paisa coins we can write in 25 paisa. 425 paisa coin make 1 rupee. Clear? This is the symbol we use to note the rupees. Okay. Clear? So thank you.